In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your engine splash shield on your Ford Taurus. It's located underneath. Using a 5.5 millimeter socket, I'm going to take out these 7 bolts. All right. As you can see, I had to spray some rust penetrant. If your car's rusty, you can do that too. And the last one over here. Okay, using a 5.5 millimeter socket, you're going to take out this bolt on this side, and there's one on the other as well. Using an 8 millimeter socket, we're going to take out this bolt and the one on the other far side, and then there's a 10 millimeter for the middle. Might have to use some vice grips on that. So if you ever get any rusty bolts like this, this is a good trick. Try to get them loose. Just make sure you're working back and forth. Got some rust penetrant. The screwdriver helps keep it straight. All right, so this one's a 10 millimeter socket. All right, so now we can take this down. All right, so we are going to put our splash shield up and stick it underneath the bumper. I'm going to try to line up all the different fastener holes with the bumper holes. It should sit in there nice for you once you get something. All right, you want to get your middle screw started first to hold up the rest. All right, so now we're going to work our way over. So you might have to stretch your bumper over to reach this one, just because it's all plastic we're dealing with. All right, so now you're gonna put these in. Again, try to get them started by hand first, makes it easier. Now we can move on to our next one. All right, so you're going to get this one in. These are easier when you get them hand started, because they kind of hold their place. We had to replace our hardware due to some issues getting it off, so you can, by all means, use your old hardware if it still works. One here, and then there's one here.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.